In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to calculate average growth rate in Google Sheets. We'll use the compound annual growth rate, or CAGR, which gives you a smooth average rate of change from a starting value to an ending value across a series of equal time periods. This is perfect for tracking things like revenue, subscribers, or any metric that grows over time. First, make sure your values are listed in a single column in chronological order, with the earliest value at the top and the most recent value at the bottom. For example, you might have your data in A1 through A6. A1 is your starting value and A6 is your ending value. Try to avoid blanks, zeros, or negative numbers in this set, because CAGR assumes positive values and evenly spaced periods. Next, click the cell where you want the average growth rate to appear. This can be anywhere on your sheet, but it's helpful to place it near your data so you can see the result alongside your numbers. Now type the CAGR formula. The general structure is equals last value, first value, 1, number of periods, chapter 1. This takes the ratio of the ending value to the starting value, raises it to the power of 1 divided by the number of periods, and subtracts 1 to convert it into a growth rate. Using our example data in A1 through A6, you would enter Israel's A6, A1, 1, 5, 1. Notice that the number of periods is the number of intervals between your data points. If you have 6 data points, there are 5 periods. If your values are monthly, this will give you an average monthly growth rate. If they're yearly, it's an average annual growth rate. The key is that the periods reflect the spacing of your data. Press enter to calculate. You'll see a decimal result. A value like 0.12 means 12% average growth per period, while a negative value indicates an average decline over the same span. To make the result easier to read, format it as a percentage. Select the result cell, go to format, then number, then percent. You can also adjust decimal places if you want more or less precision, which is especially helpful for small growth rates. A few quick tips as you interpret the result. CAGR smooths out ups and downs and focuses only on the start and end, so it's great for a big picture trend. Make sure your data points are consistently spaced in time and double check that your first and last cells are correct. With that, you've calculated the average growth rate in Google Sheets clearly and reliably.